Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this episode on integrated applications in plant anatomy, we'll see how the structure of flowers, fruits, and seeds supports their functions and why certain features are important in major plant families. Quick question for you. Which anatomical feature helps in maximum pollen transfer in a flower? Think about it, we'll discuss the answer next. Also, don't miss our special 100th Biology podcast episode tomorrow. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. So, let's get started. Now, let's see how anatomy supports the function of flowers, fruits, and seeds. In flowers, vascular tissues in petals and stamens help transport nutrients and support pollen development. In fruits, the pericarp layers, exocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp, protect the seeds and aid in dispersal. In seeds, the embryo, endosperm, and seed coat ensure proper growth and protection. We will look at key anatomical features in some major plant families that are often asked in exams. In Malvaceae, fibrous strands in petals and mucilage canals in stem and seeds help in support and water storage. In Cruciferae, tetrad pollen and the siliqua fruit are characteristic. Leguminosae shows pulvini at the petiole base and compound leaves with distinct vascular bundles. Compositae have bilateral vascular bundles and a specialized receptacle that holds many small flowers. Gramineae stems are hollow with nodes and show parallel venation with bundle sheath cells, which provide upright growth and flexibility. We connect anatomy with morphology, which is a key focus for exams. In flowers, a long filament with vascular tissues helps transport pollen efficiently. In fruits, a thick pericarp protects seeds, and winged fruits help in wind dispersal. Seeds with dense endosperm provide nutrition for the embryo, while a hard seed coat protects it. Looking at families, bilateral bundles in Compositae support many small florets, and hollow nodes in Gramineae allow stems to remain upright and flexible. Let's summarize what we learned. Anatomy is the key to understanding function in flowers, fruits, and seeds. Vascular tissues, pericarp layers, endosperm, and seed coats all have specific roles in supporting pollination, dispersal, protection, and growth. In major plant families, anatomy explains external features, mucilage canals in Malvaceae, siliqua in Cruciferae, pulvinous and compound leaves in Leguminosae, bilateral bundles in Compositae, and hollow stems with bundle sheath cells in Gramineae. If you want to study integrated application in anatomy in more detailed manner, it is linked in the cards, description, and in the pinned comments. Here's your challenge question for today. Assertion A. In Gramineae, hollow stems with nodes help the plant remain upright. Reason, our bundle sheath cells surrounding vascular bundles provide mechanical support and flexibility. Is it option A? Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Is it option B? Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Is it option C? A is true, but R is false. Or is it option D? A is false, but R is true. Comment your answers or send them to us on Instagram or Telegram. That's all for this episode on how anatomy supports function in flowers, fruits, seeds, and families. Remember, always link internal structures to their external morphology. In our next episode, we will dive into the structural organization in animals, starting with an introduction to animal body plans and an overview of animal tissues, their types, structures, and functions. Also, don't miss our daily NET MCQs and PYQ series for daily revision. See you in the next episode.